Great Britain is a country that has presented the world with English, the language of international communication. Also, the country is famous for the universities of Oxford, Cambridge and Westminster, rich National Library, legendary British Museum, which ranks second in terms of attendance after the Louvre. This is the explanation why the media event within the framework of the International Multimedia Project, Cultural Legacy of Uzbekistan in World Collections, has been organized in the capital and the center of cultural life of the kingdom. September 16, London. The organizing committee of the World Society for the Study, Preservation and Popularization of Cultural Legacy of Uzbekistan. It's worth noting that it's the collections of this museum that are dedicated to the book volume, Sogdian Numismatics in Collection of the British Museum, created by Professor Alexander Naimark and Robert Bracey. In addition, the museum is rich in Central Asian and Uzbek collections, about which a number of documentaries are planned to be shot in collaboration with Uzbek Kino and the British Museum. Participants visited BBC World Service, a place where events always boil. Reporting, broadcasts, documentaries and feature films are created. The successful implementation of the project, Kattalangar Quran, Myths and Facts, is a successful example of cooperation between the BBC and Uzbekistan. As part of the meeting, an agreement has been reached to begin production of a series of new documentaries that will tell the viewer about the historical changes in Central Asia over the past 3 years. In addition, an agreement has been reached on the creation of films of historical and cultural direction. After a fruitful meeting, the group went to the Institute of Archaeology at University College London, where a tremendous work is being done to create a series of multimedia films in virtual reality for a number of historical monuments, in particular Akhsikian settlement. On September 17, famous London Travelers Club hosted a media event, New Uzbekistan Unique Cultural Initiatives, which brought together more than 60 leading scholars of Britain studying the cultural heritage of Uzbekistan. The main event of the media event was the presentation of 13 new book volumes of the series, Cultural Legacy of Uzbekistan in World Collections. The event culminated with a reception in honor of the 28th anniversary of state independence of the Republic of Uzbekistan, organized by the country's embassy in London. The event was attended by Baroness Denise Kingsmill, President of the World Council for Crafts, Rosie Greenlees, members of parliament, representatives of ministries and departments, business and academia, the diplomatic corps, the media, as well as activists of the Uzbek diaspora and students studying in the United Kingdom. On the basis of the results of media event, it has been planned to adopt a roadmap for the work of the British part of the project, Cultural Legacy of Uzbekistan in World Collections.